Hey folks, Adam here, and we are at the AHR Expo here in fantastic Las Vegas 2026. We're at the booth for Midea Building Technologies. We're going to check it out and kick it off with a video about this fantastic company. Join me if you will.
First, let's take a quick look at the main zones. We have the MagBoost Apex Pro Chiller, the MBT iBUILDING platform, Aquathermal Heat Pump, V8 VRF system, and several integrated solutions. Now, Midea Building Technologies, or MBT, is one of 7 major business divisions under Midea Group, specializing in efficient, low-carbon technology for buildings. Their portfolio covers everything from core HVAC hardware to advanced digital intelligence platforms. So let's dive into the details with Adam and one of Midea's very own experts. Adam?
All right, folks, so we have Joshua Thibodeau here from Midea, and he's going to answer a few questions for us and tell us all about the new product lines and everything that Midea is doing. All right, folks, so in regards to the MagBoost Apex Pro, energy is a big issue with large buildings. So what are we doing with this device to kind of bring down those energy costs?
That's exactly right. Cooling can eat up 40% of a building's energy cost. So the real breakthrough had to be in the chiller's core efficiency and reliability. For the MagBoost Apex Pro, that's our second generation oil-free magnetic bearing. More so, think of it this way: traditional compressors have gears and oil that create friction. Our technology levitates the rotor using magnets, so there's no physical contact. This does 2 big things. It cuts out major sources of energy loss and removes the wear and tear and shortens equipment life. The compressor can just focus on being as efficient as possible. The payoff's huge. The industry-leading efficiency, internal port load values of 9.71, which can mean 30 to 50% lower energy costs compared to standard chillers. It's also built to last for decades. I believe it's like a 30-year lifespan. It has a very quiet 70 dBA, which for most of us who don't know, which I have a hard time comparing dBA with it, it's equivalent to a washing machine. It uses eco-friendly refrigerant 1234ZE. So it directly answers the building owner's care about costs, slashing operating expenses, and ensuring long-term worry-free performance.
So that's a big game changer for energy and reliability. All right, so speaking of demanding applications, data centers are a major focus here. With power densities climbing, what trends are you seeing in cooling, and how does a solution like this fit in?
The big shift we're seeing is the move from air cooling to full liquid cooling, especially with AI pushing power densities so high. The challenge isn't just a better chiller, it's providing a full stack liquid thermal management solution from the chip to the cooling tower without compromising any reliability. That's where our integrated approach stands out. We provide a synchronized system, precise cooling distribution units, CDUs, delivering coolant safely to the server racks, high-performance fan walls ensuring perfect airflow management in the room, and at its heart, our magnetic bearing chiller supplies cooling with ultra-high part load efficiency. This deep integration is how we help data centers hit annual PUEs as low as 1.2, tackling the biggest operating cost head on. We built redundancy and safety features in every step, guaranteeing 24/7 uptime. It's about enabling their innovation and zero compromise on resilience.
Spot on, that's a perfect fit for today's demands. Hardware is one thing, but managing it is another thing. That's where iBUILDING comes in. In simple terms, what problem does this digital platform solve for building managers?
So simply put, iBUILDING solves headaches of managing a building where all the systems speak different language. Usually HVAC, lighting, and elevators all operate in silos. Managers have no unified view until something breaks or an energy bill arrives. We designed iBUILDING to be a central command center. First, it connects to everything, our chillers, heat pumps, you name it, onto the platform through a smart gateway. It speaks common protocols like BACnet, so it fits right into existing setups. Once connected, the real value really kicks in. For facility managers, it's like getting a clear energy dashboard to see what stop and waste. For maintenance teams, it enables predictive care using data to spot potential issues before causing downtime. Moving from fixing failures to preventing them. So it turns a collection of machines into a smart collaborative ecosystem.
I got it. It's the smart brain that ties everything together. So pulling it all together, the key theme here is smart in one. Could you explain what that means, what this integrated approach means in practice, and what the main advantage is here when it comes to, in comparison to other systems?
So in practice, smart in one means we deliver a ready-to-go collaborative ecosystem, not just a box of separate parts. Look at our booth. The MagBoost chiller handles cooling, our heat pumps provide heating, VRF systems manage zones, and iBUILDING ties all that together intelligently. The advantages come down to three things. First, synergy. The system works together like using data center waste heat to warm our offices, something separate systems can't do. Second, lower total cost. Integration simplifies setup and ongoing management, cutting both energy and labor expenses. Third, better control and sustainability. Operators get an intuitive interface and a clear data to track their carbon goals. So integration isn't just adding parts together, it's about multiplying their value. It makes buildings simpler to run, more cost effective, and ready for the future.
That makes perfect sense. It's more sustainable, it's simpler, it's smarter overall. All right, folks, with that being said, it's time to explore Midea Building Technology. We'll put all the information in the description below so you can follow them. What an exciting day we had here at the AHR Expo. Folks, thanks for watching and, well, adios, amigos.